In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record Google Meet video calls on laptop. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To record Google Meet video call on laptop, open your browser and go to Google Meet and then start a video call. There is no option to record video calls on Google Meet. You will not find any option here in Google Meet to record the video calls. To record the video calls, open another tab and in Google search type extensions Chrome, extension Chrome's web store. Hit enter, click on the first link Chrome web store. Now click on extensions tab. Here you will find a search box. Type screen recorder. Now hit enter. Here you will find lot of screen recorder. Scroll down. Click on load more. This one is Screenly. It's 4.7 star recommendation. I'm going to install this screen recorder. Click on the screen recorder. Here you will find an button, add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. The extension is downloading. Download has been finished. Now click on the extensions icon on upper right corner. You will find the extension here. Click on the pin icon. The extension is pinned on address bar. Go to the Google Meet. Click on the extension. Here you will find some selection areas, visible page or enter page or selected areas or browser windows, and here you will find record video option. Click on record video, select browser window and enable record mic sound. Allow this time. Again open extension, click on record video and then enable record tap sound. Here you will find the video resolution. Click on the drop down and you can change the resolution from here. Now click on start recording. Recording is started. Is continuing on my Google Meet. Whenever your recording is finished, just click on stop recording. Here you can play your recorded video. You can play. Recording is started. The default file type is WEBM. You can convert it to MP4, MOV, OBI and many more file format. I am selecting MP4. Now converting. Converted and also downloaded. Now I am going to open my downloaded video record. Now I am going to run the video record. Recording is started. Google Meet video call is successfully recorded on my laptop. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.